Hi, today we're going to go over Struct. I'm just going to comment on the code we did last time, and then I'm going to create a divider. I'm going to name it Struct, and our Struct is just going to contain a bunch of datas and functions. So let's write down Struct. Oh, hold on. Let's create our structure up here. It must go before the main loop. Let's create a divider here. Let's call this function prototype. And then let's call this struct void. Hold on. Struct one. Let's use int data equals 0. Void display data. Cout data inline. So here we're going to create our struct. We're going to declare our struct. So it's struct1 st1. That's our struct. Then st1 dot. We have to use a dot operator to access the data. We're going to set it equal to 2, and then we're going to display the data. And that's it for the structure. And 2 gets displayed. Now, we can also do a pointer to structure. So here we got struct1 equals new struct new struct1. But when we struct2, but when we access the data with the pointer to structure, we have to use the right arrow operator, and then we can then access the data and set it to equal to 5, and we can also access the function and display the value 5. Let's run this program. There we see 2 and 5. So the difference between struct and struct pointer is that struct uses the dot operator, while struct pointer uses the right arrow operator. So struct pointer uses right arrow operator. Struct uses dot operator to access data and functions. So those are the differences between the struct pointer and regular struct. And this is it for structure, and thank you for watching.